Is this the dawn before the storm, or just they're relaxing until the next explosion higher? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S update for Monday, the 8th of November. And markets are much higher. Well, not much higher. They're higher, but not like crazy. But volume is very light. It's very quiet out there. We'll see what happens, and we'll give you our thoughts right after we tell you that this is sponsored by our friends at Strategic Wealth Preservation, who is where I do all my shopping for physical metals, whether I'm going to store them with them or I'm going to take delivery. Be free to check them out at swpcayman.com/Bubba-trading. That's Sierra Whiskey Papa, Charlie Alpha Yankee, Michael Alpha November.com/Bubba-trading. In the meantime, as I said, the Dow is up 163. The NASDAQ has been on both sides of unchanged. Right now it's higher. By the time you get this, it could be lower. The S&P's up 12. Russell's up 212. So you see a fairly, reasonable rally, but very, very quiet and very, very tenuous at best. But certainly, there's no reason to believe that it's not going to continue to go higher, because that's what the markets are doing. Gold and silver are popping and coming up to those next key levels. 1830 in gold, 1833, and $25 in silver. And of course, platinum is popping up about $26. 1100 is the next big level for there. We're long gold and silver and would be long platinum, but we no longer trade because it is not liquid enough. The dollar is lower and we are short. Bitcoin is exploding up almost 5,000 right now. Okay, which is not a surprise. The new Ether products coming out and just the good news surrounding it. So who knows, but we are long it. So that's a good thing. Crude is popping higher. We are short. The copper is higher and we are short. No, that's not good. That's not right now. Copper is higher and we're short. Nat gas is lower and we're long. The bonds and notes, we reverse notes, so we are long both bonds and notes, and they're both lower at the moment. Okay, so we've got things going with us and we got things going against us. Okay, in the meantime, it is what it is, and this is why you don't get involved in the day-to-day, intraday swings of markets, because you can only find trouble when you do that. It's just easier to let the trends play out and not get involved in the daily minutia or the emotions that happen during the trading day. And in the grain markets, you've got corn, wheat. Corn is down. Soybeans are getting crushed. They're under $12 again now it's getting serious. But we're long corn, short beans, and long wheat, which is flat. The protein complex, we're long them all, and feeders are lower slightly. And we'll call the meats or the proteins pretty much unchanged. They're all within 20 cents of break even. Okay, it's easy enough. Nothing to get too excited about there. And in the softs, cotton is higher, and we are long. Coffee is flat, slightly higher, but flat. Sugar is flat, we're short. Cocoa is flat, we're short, and OJ is flat, and we are short. So it's really a whole bunch of nothing right now. I mean, there's not much to get too excited about. In fact, as I just looked over, the markets are selling off just a tad. The NASDAQ is now lower on the day. So again, this is why this looks like just a resting kind of day. But again, just be prepared and be ready. But again, if you're trading with us, there's nothing to do during the day either way. Let the emotions play, and we'll deal with it later. Okay. In the meantime, it's a challenging market, and the real question is this the pause before the next big rally? In the meantime, don't forget about other sponsors, and of course, we've got two brokerage sponsors, one for commodities and futures, and one for equities and options. And we've got many brokers that we use, but the two that we've approved and the two that we want to do business with, for the most part, for commodities and futures, is the Capital Trading Group, CTG. Great customer service, great products that they have on their own. They're the only ones I've authorized for letter of direction trading, and they trade all my accounts. Check them out, info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, our equity and options partner, Trader Brokerage, $10 a month. That is all I should have to say, but $10. Plus, we've got their APIs, which allows us to automate our equity portfolio memberships at no charge. I don't know how you can go wrong with that. So in the meantime, that is Tradier.com. Try.tradier.com/Bubba. That's try.tradier.com/Bubba. Family Farms Group farmers, check them out. It's familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. And of course, our commodity report, Technomental, written by Andy Hecht. As I said on Bubba's Bottom Line, if you want to see a sample, you can check it out. But if you're a commodities trader or trading commodities and not reading this report, you should go see a doctor or check out the report, because you're going to find out that it's by far the best piece of information you will ever get in the commodity space. So check it out. It's Technomental. You can go to BubbaTrading.com and check out the report. You can email me, and I will send you last week's copy. And, of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And in the meantime, football night in America, again, another football game. Last night, as we said, it was a pretty cruddy game. We weren't going to do much with it. And tonight, a real dog game. You have Pittsburgh Steelers against the Chicago Bears. I don't know if the Pittsburgh Steelers can score 7. I don't know if the Bears can win. So in the meantime, we're going to kind of pass. I mean, I would lean to the Steelers if I were going to play, but I'm going to kind of watch it. No real interest. It's a crappy game. I just assume sleep. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.